In a world where the power of a dog's nose could mean the difference between life and death, a group of determined researchers embarked on a journey to unravel the secrets behind these furry heroes' extraordinary sense of smell. The need was clear: in situations where human senses struggled to cope with challenging environments, time constraints, or the urgency for non-invasive detection, dogs had proven time and again that their noses were unmatched. From locating missing persons to uncovering illegal substances, their olfactory prowess was undeniable. But could science further amplify this incredible ability? Their quest began with the painstaking task of decoding the canine genome. Scientists meticulously sequenced the DNA of various dog breeds known for their scent detection skills. Every gene, every nucleotide was scrutinized to pinpoint the genetic building blocks responsible for this remarkable olfactory prowess. Comparative analysis became their guiding light. With genes laid bare on their screens, they drew comparisons between the olfactory genes of breeds with exceptional scent abilities and those with less specialized noses. It was like unraveling the threads of a complex tapestry, slowly revealing the genetic signatures that separated the super sniffers from the rest. Armed with this newfound knowledge, the researchers turned to cutting-edge gene editing techniques. Using the revolutionary CRISPR-Cas9, they tinkered with the genes of less specialized breeds. The aim was to introduce the favorable genetic variations observed in their super sniffer counterparts. It was genetic fine-tuning, a symphony of science playing out at the molecular level. But science is nothing without validation. And so, the gene-edited pups were nurtured, trained, and tested. The labs buzzed with excitement as these young dogs underwent rigorous scent detection training. They were exposed to controlled environments and real-world scenarios, where their noses had to follow trails and identify targets. Every wag of a tail and every triumphant bark was recorded and analyzed. Then came the moment of truth, the field trials. The gene-edited dogs joined the ranks of traditional search and rescue teams. In dense forests, rugged terrains, and disaster-stricken areas, they proved their mettle. Their noses caught the faintest of scents, their determination unwavering even amidst chaos. The difference was palpable: quicker recoveries, more successful missions, lives saved. But the story didn't end there. The gene-edited dogs weren't just heroes in search and rescue missions. Their enhanced noses showed promise in the medical world too. Researchers found that these dogs could detect the distinctive scent profiles of certain diseases, offering a potential avenue for early diagnosis. Yet, this story was not without its moral dilemmas. As the gene-edited dogs basked in their successes, discussions around ethics grew louder. Was tampering with nature justifiable? Were there unforeseen consequences waiting to be unraveled? The line between advancing science and respecting life's intricacies was thin. In the end, the tale of enhancing canine olfaction was one of science and ethics intertwined. It was a story of relentless curiosity, breakthroughs that stretched the boundaries of possibility, and the weight of responsibility that came with playing with genes. And so, as the sun set on this chapter, the legacy of those intrepid researchers lived on, in the wagging tails of gene-edited dogs that continued to blaze trails, in the whispered debates about the limits of scientific intervention, and in the hope that, through understanding nature's secrets, humanity could make a better world for all creatures, great and small.